Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to unarchive card in Trello. This is actually pretty simple and straightforward, so let me show you how to do this. First, let's say I archive this card. Or let's say I archive multiple cards, so I can show you. Go right here to these three dots and then click on Archive Items right here. This will open up your archived items, and if you don't see cards, you can click here to switch to cards. And now just click on Restore. You can also search for the cards if you have multiple, just search for them right here. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.